Today I'm going to show you how to upload a Flutter project to GitHub. And before I start the tutorial, please subscribe and like the video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the links in the description box. And let's get started. The first step is to install Git and then create an account on GitHub. It's very easy. After that, on the home page, choose New Repository and name it. Then we have all the necessary commands here. Copy them and open your Flutter project. In the terminal, paste those commands. Click on this icon. Commit. It may take some time. As you can see, the project is now on GitHub. You can download it from here. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and if you liked my work, click on subscribe and see you in the next video.